Running an auto repair shop in Sacramento? Want more cars in your bays and more phone calls from new customers? Here's how you can stand out with local SEO. Nearly half of all searches are local. If you don't show up, your competitors will. Step 1. Claim and complete your Google Business profile. Add your shop's name, address, phone, and website. Pick Auto Repair Shop as your main category, then add specialties. Upload bright, recent photos of your shop, your team, and real repair jobs. Step 2. Get listed everywhere Sacramento drivers might search. Yelp, RepairPal, Yellow Pages, and local business directories. Double-check that your name, address, and phone number are exactly the same everywhere. Step 3. Make your website fast, clear, and mobile-friendly. Create separate pages for every service and neighborhood you serve. Use real testimonials and a bold Book Now button. Step 4. Share simple car care tips on your blog or as quick videos. Explain common repairs, answer FAQs, or show your team in action. Real stories connect with Sacramento customers. Step 5. Ask every happy customer for a Google review and reply to everyone. Show that you care about feedback, good or bad. Step 6. Keep an eye on what's working. Use Google Analytics and your business profile insights to track calls, visits, and what's getting attention. Adjust your approach as you grow. Need help getting your shop seen online? Contact MarketinGear for a free consultation call.